I don't know how I feel about this. This is like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? Oh, you know, if you know, you know. Anyway, don't. If you don't read the manga, I won't say anything. But you know, God. So let's draw it anyway. So close up on his face, those big old baby blue eyes. So we'll go diagonal. Start with the right eye, diagonal, and then comes across down there. Spike down here, and then we'll just kind of keep this going around into his tear duct over this side. That's the general shape for his eyes, and then we'll add like those eyelashes, right? So big, well, semi-big spikes just here, and we can color those purple, and we'll add some more at the front as well. Okay, it's kind of manga-ish. You could go, well, anime sort of style eyelashes, I guess. You could go manga with the scratchy, and they do just somewhere around the bottom here. Kind of like that. Iris, big circle. There. And then pupil somewhere in the middle. Right, and then eyelid line just above. Like so. Eyebrow, standard Gojo eyebrow, just like a sort of check mark just coming across here. And then the top section, and they do like some texture inside in the manga. And then like a bit of a nose line just coming, say, from the eyebrow, just like that, really, nothing major. Okay, so other eye width, right, between the tear ducts, and then you just do same sort of shape again. So basically you can fit the white of his eye in there, maybe the whole eye even, just in between the tear ducts. That's your proportion for the human eye. Same shape again as well. Pretty much symmetrical. And then it comes down. We'll go around. Bit of a tear duct. And then we'll add all those spiky eyelash. Big Gojo eyelashes. And then some down here. Iris again. Big old blue circle. And then pupil, somewhere in the middle. Eyelid line just above the eye, and then eyebrow that way again, same sort of thing again. Texture lines there. They put a bit of detail into his nose, but maybe we could simplify it a bit. So say, kind of just coming down from the eyebrow here. All right, and then the nostril here, nostril there. But they actually like drawing a bit of the shadow, looks like, on the side of his nose, some hatching on the bridge. They do the tip of his nose as well. Quite a bit. Go. Maybe do a bit more than normal. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Just a bit more manga-y, I guess, than what we're used to. Kind of like that. So then his mouth, so he's saying stuff. So it's like, it's kind of downturned for the top lip. So it's like it's closed. You can keep it closed if you want, obviously. But we're going to add a bottom lip and teeth inside. Nice, a bit of a shadow there. And then the teeth sort of come across this way. Just make it look like he's talking, and there's shadow in there as well. And the bottom lip, like so. And then the chin, pretty strong square chin, like so. So, jaw goes quite high up, jaw on this side as well. It's like in line with his nose a bit. It goes up towards his ear, because his head is kind of tilted forward towards us a little bit. So this one kind of goes up this way as well. So then, just above, so we got the thing on the forehead, and then like his hair and everything. So, what to do first? So we go sideburn, kind of here, and then the ear is kind of in behind this. And it's in behind some hair and everything. So it goes like in behind a hair spike. And then this is like just his sideburn with his ear lines. And they don't do much in terms of ear lines in Jujutsu Kaisen, not in the manga anyway. This goes underneath the hair spike here. And then a bit of a hair spike and sideburn going on that way. And then just ear lines there. So the scar is like all across the forehead and it's under his hair. So we do some fringe and some hair spikes first, right? So just because it's kind of covering it. Okay, and then some going this way, so there's like part in his hair. So that would go right, say in the middle, a little V. We'll go this way. And then some hair spikes going down here. So all hair going here, and we'll put the scars. So it's like basically people freaking out now who don't want to read the manga. What? And then there's the cross ones there. So like here somewhere. They're not sort of uniform. Like over here as well. And then, so you should have like some sort of, you know, like some wrinkles just around the skin of it. Like so. Right, and then hair spikes going random sort of. They're kind of like shark fins. You know, they just go up and off my page. And then like some random ones, just texture lines in here. And some more coming this way. Right, you can do as much like texture as you want. Of course, the manga does ridiculous amounts. And his neck is a real wide, strong looking neck, right, coming down, wider than his face even. And his black t-shirt sort of comes down this way. And then his trapezius comes down here, and his shoulder. We're real close up now, so his shoulder sort of goes off the page. And then we got like some neck muscles. Adam's apple in there. And that's it. Gojo Reanimated? Question mark. Why are you doing this to us? Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.